अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाजरीन हो हजरात खवातीन बच्चे बूढ़े जो भी देख रहे हैं
और जो है ही नहीं
जो है
वो भी देख रहे हैं जो कब्र में है
वेलकम टू आवर शो दो मस्ताने आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे आज क्या हो रहा है आज वी आर एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डिंग ए स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑन द ऑनगोइंग T20 वर्ल्ड कप जो कि इंडिया इंशाल्लाह
जीतेगा।
मेरी दाईं तरफ यानी मेरी राइट पे है टीम पाकिस्तान सना
Anything?
More like
Anything?
woo-hoo.
See, look at her.
और मेरी बाईं तरफ
Yeah.
to my left we have Team India
Yeah, Team India.
अच्छा सिचुएशन ये है कि पाकिस्तान जो है they're out of the cup तो सना she's a big fan of the Pakistani team और एक और इंडियन फैन हमारे आ गए हैं स्टूडियो में और इंडिया जो है they are still in the Super 8 so we've got two groups now. Group A is Australia, India, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Group B is South Africa, West Indies, England and USA. There's been a few surprises, there's been a few shocks. Pakistan couldn't make it, they couldn't qualify. The only thing they qualified for was a flight back to Karachi.
To Karachi. And some chaat papdi and some
Just
food.
that's a very usual behavior of Pakistani team.
Ji, inshallah, we'll find out in a couple of weeks.
The blame game and the trash talking has already started, ladies and gentlemen.
Very usual. Nothing unusual about this.
So you can leave it to the Indian team to do that, right? Because they know when they're winning, they can do that. It's very easy to do that when you're winning. But when you're losing, I wonder where they end up. They're never really saying much.
It's okay, we'll know in 2 weeks.
It's nice to be on the winning side. Though.
Oh,
We
yeah.
love it. We
Well,
love
there
it
you
here.
go.
We love it
इंशाल्लाह
here.
तो चलो
We'll see how long that lasts.
इंडिया से शुरू करते हैं लेडीज आप बताइए what has gone right for India so far and what can go wrong.
Okay. Hi everyone. So, Team India, I think, is doing phenomenal. To be honest, when the World Cup started, we were kind of nervous because the players didn't do so well in the IPL, which
Yes.
was just before, like a week before it ended, and it felt like maybe they'll kind of continue the same form. Rohit Sharma was not in form. Virat Kohli was the only one who was doing good. But now Virat Kohli is
And now
kind
he's
of
out of
of form, and Virat, so Mohammad Siraj was not doing too good. Bumrah was doing great in IPL, and he continues to do good in the World Cup as well.
Until now.
And Rishabh Pant is kind of making a comeback. It's his first international game after his accident and everything. So there was kind of still like, okay, is he going to do good? What is going to happen, right? So there were a lot of ifs and buts about the team, but I'm so proud of them because they did amazing. They've been winning back to back, and hope they'll win each and every game, and the cup will be ours.
इंशाल्लाह हमारी दुआएं और हमारी क्या
इंशाल्लाह क्यों कर रहे हो?
हमारी प्रार्थनाएं भी उनके साथ हैं और मुबीन आप जरा बताइए कि कुछ कभी-कभार होता है खतरा हो सकता है. Which team do you think India is most scared of right now out of the 8 that I mentioned? उसमें ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, इंग्लैंड है, USA भी है, अफगानिस्तान भी है. Who do you think can beat India in the final? Nobody can beat India.
Nobody.
First of all,
Yeah, I think West Indies.
West Indies.
Oh.
it's a home team.
Home advantage and they are in form.
Yes, they are
They
in
are
form.
playing exceptionally well right now.
उनके टीम में मतलब सब जिन्स जो है ना वो मतलब they're recruiting जिन्स on that
उनको
team.
बैट भी हिलाने की जरूरत नहीं होती.
6'5", 250 pounds and a tick, and they're sending it out to the moon. Those guys.
I have
Yes,
a different take. USA.
Oh
yeah.
USA.
I think
They can beat India.
Yes, they can.
Yeah,
Hi.
I think they're out today.
I love it. I love it.
No. USA lost today in the first game of the Super 8s.
But came close though.
But they can still beat. They can still beat क्या नाम है England and West Indies and still qualify.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Long shot though.
Okay,
Long shot.
did you get why she said
USA?
नहीं ये explain करेंगे.
Because half the team is
आपको नहीं
Indian.
पता? Like you didn't get it.
अच्छा I get it now.
They're kind of Indian Pakistani mix in the
No,
team.
but there's a lot of Pakistani guys on that team too.
Yeah. So like
Very good bowler on that
South
side.
Asian team.
Yeah, South Asian. Thank you very much. Thank you. That made me feel better.
नहीं, I
अगर-
think
so
India
saying
ज़्यादा
India.
है उसमें.
अरे यार
तभी जीत रहे हैं
तभी
शायद.
जीत रहे हैं.
So it's India versus India. So
Actually, they have some really great West Indies players too. Like
Yeah.
Barbados they had.
Yeah,
And
they
then
do.
Corey Anderson, who's actually from New Zealand.
Aaron
Yeah,
Jones,
that's right.
Aaron
the
Jones.
guy who hit like 10
Who's
sixes
Goose?
versus
Yes.
Canada. He's from Barbados.
From Barbados.
गुस्सा.
उसको गुस्सा आता है इसको. बहुत जोर से मारता है
आज
वो.
उसने बहुत
आज वो ऐसा
खूब
घुसा के
मारा
निकले
उसने
हैं.
यार. I was looking, the ball wasn't landing. It still hasn't landed some of the sixes that he's hit.
हाँ अच्छा खैर Moving along, Team Pakistan.
जी, जी.
What went wrong with Pakistan? Harun sahab, please, रोशनी डालिए, please. A little bit of light.
Okay, how do I
ये रोशनी
start?
कौन है?
बात दरअसल ये है यार कि ये टीम का मसला नहीं था
अच्छा.
ये टीम का मसला नहीं था, ये असल में ये एक पीसीबी का मसला था ये.
हाँ, वैसे
पाकिस्तानी cricket
मैंने
board.
इस पे वीडियो बनाया, अभी दिखाएंगे.
And let me just make it very clear to the like I always say, the two people that are watching at home. I want to tell you guys, the two of you, that why this actually happened. It wasn't because of our players. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, doesn't matter what sport you're in. Your product is always determined by your management, by your people that are above, your management, your coaches, your recruiters, your whatever you want to call them. So our problem was at the top. That's where our problem was, not with our guys. Some of our guys are very, very good bowlers, very good batsmen. Our middle order had a little bit of a problem. Our openers are fantastic. They've always been there. They've been there since 2017. They've been in the finals. They've been in World Cup finals. I don't have a problem with them. I have a problem with the people who are selecting this team.
And I'm surprised
So-
that you stopped at PCB because there's.
Do you want me to say more and then get
नहीं,
myself
नहीं.
arrested when I go to
नहीं,
Pakistan?
इसीलिए मैंने कहा आप रुक जाइए.
हाँ. ये
जज्बात
हो
अगर-
सकता है यार,
जज्बात
मैं
बाहर आ गए.
मुझे ऑलरेडी मुझे डेथ थ्रेट्स तो मिल रहे हैं मुझे, लेकिन प्लीज let's try to keep this, you know.
I would agree with what he said. Yeah, he's
You know,
absolutely right.
हाँ.
Because
So
India Pakistan game में भी Pakistan did
they
really
did well in the bowling side and the
Because
fielding side. They
at
did
one
well.
point I thought India's gonna lose.
No.
the whole time, except
You
for the
remember?
last 5 overs.
Except
Again,
for
the
the
last
last
5
5
overs, then
Last 5 overs,
India
India
took
took
over
off,
from
yeah.
there. Yeah.
And the bowlers did amazing.
Yeah.
Of course, once again, Bumrah saved.
Bumrah was just
Save the day.
और पता नहीं रिजवान ने क्या सोच रहा था यार, जब बुमराह is your first class bowler, man.
That was the turning point of that game. अगर रिजवान टिक जाता ना,
रिजवान
if he had
ने
stayed till the end,
Yeah.
Pakistan would have won. Not easily,
Not
but they would
easily,
have.
but they would have at least made that.
Because they lost by
closer.
6 runs.
क्योंकि वो जम गया था
और
बिल्कुल,
पता है
बिल्कुल
वो
ऐसे ही।
6 रन्स किसने बनाए थे? मोहम्मद सिराज ने आखिर में बनाए थे. So Mohammad Siraj was the hero. Thank you for making those extra 6 runs.
And that's Abdullah. I just got to say that it's very disappointing for a lot of the fans in Pakistan, and I'm so sorry for them because there's a lot of people that actually flew out from Pakistan to go to the United States, to go to West Indies for this. Just remember, man, that when you have trouble back home, that trouble doesn't just last. It's not just political or social. It seeps into every corner of society in the country, and it's seeped into our cricket team. So that's the unfortunate part.
यार तुम तो रुला रहे हो इतनी गहरी बातें.
But don't worry, लेकिन there's when it's the darkest, that's when the sun starts shining.
इंशाल्लाह.
Yeah, so that's what's going
मैं
to
तो ये
happen.
कह रहा था कि मोहम्मद सिराज और मोहम्मद शामी के बाप दादा अगर पाकिस्तान आ जाते
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है.
मुश्किल आसान हो जाता.
इनको हमारे players क्यों steal करने हैं? माशाल्लाह, I think you guys have amazing team.
Yeah.
The team is not bad. It's just sometimes what happens, it seems like
हम
from as an
commercials बहुत
Indian,
ज़्यादा करते
it
हैं.
seems like there's something wrong with the team. Like there's no unity. Maybe there
There's
are
no
some,
unity actually.
the
That's for
team
sure.
captain keeps changing, players keep changing.
और
तो-
बाबर आजम को
Consistency
उर्दू
नहीं
छोड़ो, पंजाबी छोड़ो, उसको पता नहीं साइन लैंग्वेज भी नहीं आती उसे.
I don't think. I think
बोलना
he's a,
नहीं
I think
चाहिए.
he's a
बोलना
very
भी
good
नहीं
guy.
चाहिए
I think he's a very good guy. He's a very good.
He's an amazing,
He's a very
talent.
amazing.
He's amazing.
I'm a very good guy,
Yeah.
but
No,
that
good
doesn't
guy
mean
की
good
anything.
बात-
cricketer. Good
But
cricketer.
good guy
You
की
know?
नहीं है. When he is representing Pakistan on an international platform, I think the PCB needs to groom him.
Yes.
You know,
100%.
जैसे हारून साहब कह रहे थे कि
English and all of
PCB
that,
has a
right?
big responsibility.
And when he talks, all he uses definitely.
He doesn't even use that.
And boys.
He goes, boys, definitely, bus, okay, we'll do.
No, don't
किसी
blame
को-
him. They all come from small towns.
That's
But
the
I think it's
exactly.
the
It's the
board's
people who are
responsibility above them.
हाँ.
Above them.
to
वैसे नाजरीन
take
मैं
care
आप
of
लोगों
this.
को याद दिलाता चलूं कि पाकिस्तान जो है पिछले वर्ल्ड कप में they were the runners up.
They were
So
the
we
runners
can't,
up.
we can't really,
That's what I
down
was
them.
trying to explain to you last
this
week until
point.
you started crapping on them.
Yeah.
You remember that?
हाँ, नहीं मैं तो मेरी तो आदत है.
Pakistan has always been the most surprising team. Like they're unpredictable. You can never predict they're gonna win or lose.
Yeah.
Like
100%.
they're all, so either
They're
they'll just end up in
bipolar
the finals
or they have
they'll just be
schizophrenia.
out.
मतलब उनको कोई problem है, पागल है वो.
Just to add to what Fahmida said, एक बड़ा अच्छा जोक देखा मैंने कि पाकिस्तान एक पुरानी गन है जो चलाने वाला डरता है कि शायद गोली ना चले और सामने वाला डर जाता है कि आज शायद
चल
चल
जाए।
चल
जाए।
जाए. ऐसे ही
Right, right.
कभी कभार अपने आप ही चला
अपने आप ही तो चल जाता है. हाँ. वो वास्को डामा
उसको डगामा वाली गन. अच्छा वैसे एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूंगा सिलेक्शन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. आजम खान की बहुत खिंचाई हो रही है
Oh.
कि उनका सिलेक्शन ठीक था कि
Very
नहीं.
bad.
I don't know, Sana, if you have anything to say
I
about
did see him. So see,
Everyone
we
can-
all
you can
talk
miss it.
about
Everyone can see it.
yes. So
can miss it.
I'll be very blatant about it. You all, you know, आजकल हम बात करते हैं body shaming ना हो and every size and all that. But it's a sport.
It's a sport.
You need to be fit for agility. Like, how can you be like the size you are, and
Excellent
even you know,
Excellent.
In any
So,
sport,
it-
even
yeah.
in American
It doesn't matter
football.
what
that's
sport
that's
it
a
is.
prerequisite for being a sports person. That you have to be disciplined, and your discipline is your fitness.
100%.
Exactly.
Son of
So-
the problem is nepotism, right? I mean, his
Yeah.
father,
Yeah.
his father was a fantastic cricketer. That's
Yes.
great. This guy can hit sixes out of the stadium, not
Yeah.
because of him, but because of his weight. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's great.
Yes.
That's excellent. But the problem is, when he runs, he falls over and has a
Yeah.
cardiac arrest, and you can't. Well, what are you gonna?
Yes, literally, like
So what do you-
basic,
It's
like
not.
क्योंकि वो उनको PSL
to
में
be a
खेलने की आदत
sportsman.
होती है. They're
Agility.
They're used to playing in you know minor leagues. उसमें अच्छे छक्के वक्के मार देते हैं and they think
and they think
you know,
ये बड़ा वो star.
वो ये भूल जाते हैं ना कि runs आपको भाग के भी लेने
भाग के भी
पड़ते हैं.
लेने पड़ते हैं. ये मसला था यार आजम साहब. वो सिर्फ तो छक्के मारता रहता है.
Yes.
चलिए अब कुछ predictions पे बात करते हैं. Let's
Oh,
let's
this
let's
is
predict the 4 semi-finalists and I will start with चलें आपसे पूछा जाए कि इस वक्त जो 4 टीमें हैं, 8 टीमें हैं, who do you think is going to make it to the top 4?
I think India तो आएगा जरूर.
इंडिया तो आएगा. उनको जरा माइक दीजिएगा. इंडिया तो आएगा
Yeah,
जरूर.
India आएगा. Yeah,
हाँ,
जरूर आएगा.
जरूर आएगा.
Yeah, yeah.
जरूर आएगा.
Yeah.
मतलब लाजमी.
आएगा. आप देख ले prediction मेरा.
दुनिया इधर से उधर हो जाए, लाजमी उनको आना है.
India
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
आना ही है.
India is one of them. Yeah.
Yeah,
अच्छा
inshallah.
सीरियसली बताएं. सीरियसली कौन?
No, seriously. आप.
Are you serious? Are you
I'm
serious?
serious.
अच्छा India's one. Who are the other 3?
I think Australia आएगा.
Australia is all.
भी आएगा.
हाँ.
Yeah.
और do you think Bangladesh और Afghanistan can upset?
No, I know.
No?
उनके chances मुझे
Neither?
बहुत कम
तो
लगते
फिर
हैं.
बचे ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंडिया तो आ गए. West Indies, England,
तुम सेमीफाइनल
USA
की
में
बात
से
कर रहे हो?
हाँ सेमीफाइनल.
US आएगा तो it would be surprising.
हाँ.
But है उसके
But
chances.
they have the potential. to
Yes,
surprise.
yes, yes.
I believe so. I believe so.
Yeah.
Movie आप क्या your top 4?
इंडिया तो for sure.
मजाक मत कर रहे हैं.
वहाँ
कैसे
मजाक
कर
है.
रहे हैं?
कोई मजाक नहीं है. अच्छा जब ये हो जाएगा तो मैं आपसे बात
Is
करूंगी.
it-
मजाक नहीं है ये,
Yeah.
manifestation है.
Confidence है.
Putting it
Wow.
out there in the
Yeah.
universe.
Yeah.
India.
Putting it in the universe.
No, confidence.
चलिए.
Full on
इंडिया
अच्छा.
वेस्ट इंडीज एंड आई थिंक अफगानिस्तान में कुछ है मैंने ऐसे देखा
Yeah,
है
they
लाइक
can
आई
upset.
सॉ द
काबुली
गेम
पुलाव बहुत खाते
सो
हैं.
दे कैन अपसेट एंड देन आई थिंक ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Australia. हाँ, Australia को we can never
The
discount.
mighty Australia.
If they make it this far, they'll go all the way. Inshallah.
Yeah. well, they will.
अच्छा, पहले आप बताइए.
Do you need the
I
mic? or-
I do. I think this is.
Honey, are you?
Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. So I think it's gonna be
चलो,
India,
India तो
of
fair
course.
है.
Chale, India and
Okay,
Australia,
yes.
of course.
Yes.
These two.
gonna
West
say
Indies
Korea.
because they're playing great. It's their home ground, and then South Africa.
South Africa.
South Africa.
ठीक है, ये तो semi-finalists इन लोगों ने they called them. I want you both to call the finalists.
Finals.
2 finalists.
Hey, what about my semifinals? Because I'm telling you right now.
चलो
नहीं,
बता
आप
दो.
final select करें ना
आप
दो.
finalists बताएं.
दो.
हाँ.
सीधे आप
Top
finals पे
two.
पहुंचे.
लेकिन मैं चाह रहा था कि मैं कहूँ कि बांग्लादेश जो है ना, they're gonna make
Oh, to the semis
it. Yeah.
and not to the final.
Not the
क्यों यार उनको इतना आगे लेके गए वहाँ क्यों छोड़ दिया?
Bangladesh has something that I don't think anyone else noticed.
The
Spin-
tendency to
spin,
lose.
good
They're
spin.
good spinners on
Good
that team.
spinners.
हाँ.
And their middle batsmen are very confident right now.
लेकिन to be
So-
honest, they haven't really
But you know,
performed to their
it
potential.
No,
takes-
they haven't.
You know
They
what
haven't,
it
but
takes? It
Ah.
takes the mental strength.
Mental.
That's what it does.
And even
100%.
India chokes at this point, when
Because of-
especially playing with
Because
Australia.
Sana, because of
Did you see the
pressure.
match Nepal and South
Yes.
Africa?
Yeah.
Oh my
Last
god! Like
ball,
literally,
2
they,
runs.
like they were winning it, but
Yeah.
then the pressure
Nepal-
gets on to
Nepal
you.
deserved
Yeah.
it.
it's pressure.
Nepal deserved
Nepal
it.
has shown some great potential.
Oh, yeah.
Mentally, they're really strong.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
strong.
If you
mentally.
give them
Yeah.
2 more years,
Yeah.
They'll
they can be a contender.
yeah.
Man,
Some-
Nepal, they live in the mountains. They live with yetis, with abdominal snowmen.
But they're very close to
They're-
India.
They know how to
Ah,
play.
and
They've got a lot of mental
South
strength.
Asian faces
So
again.
so far after Team India, I've seen the most strongest team like fans from Nepal.
yeah.
Ah.
Crazy fan.
नेपाली
Yeah.
जो हैं, they consider themselves almost, you know,
Indian?
Indian.
Indians,
yeah.
yeah.
और अगर इंडिया की तरह वो खेलते रहे, तो then they'll
क्योंकि
go
च्यवनप्राश
up
तो इंडिया से ही जाता है नेपाल
देखो।
में.
there. और मनीषा कोइराला भी चली गई.
मनीषा
कोइराला चली गई. तो सना आपके फाइनलिस्ट कौन?
India for sure. Chances are Australia. Because they, I think
You don't want to put Australia against India.
Yeah, I don't want to, but somehow I feel it's going to be India
But
versus
being a
Australia. But
Pakistani,
then,
don't you want- No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, what did he say?
Being a Pakistani, don't you want them to kind of
no, I want India to overcome that thing
the choking? Yeah.
Yeah.
that they have with against Australia.
Australia.
ठीक है. Speaking of choking, RSA, यानी कि South Africa, are considered the biggest chokers.
Biggest chokers of all.
They are too.
Of the history
Yeah.
of cricket or any other sport. और मैं फिर भी उनको चुन रहा हूँ to win this cup this time. And they will be playing against, who did I pick? Who did I pick?
India.
You picked
No,
no,
India.
you picked West Indies. No.
West Indies or South Africa. West Indies, South
Now
Africa
you
का
listen
final
to
होगा.
my
Let's see how it
choices.
happens.
That
Yes.
would be interesting to watch for sure.
But I would love if a new team wins because India
Yeah,
has won
yeah.
it. The West Indies have won
That
it
would be
twice.
nice.
Australia
That
has
would be
won
nice.
it. All of them have won it except for South Africa.
But then India's World Cup, like the big World Cup,
The 50 over.
they need to redeem themselves. That was really a
It
bad,
was a
bad
very sad ending
loss
for India
for
after back-to-back 11 games.
Yes.
So
They go
I think
unbeaten.
we deserve
Yeah,
it. We
yeah.
deserve
Yeah,
it.
so I think this would be like more like a
The way India has been playing
Redemption.
consistently
Redemption.
and winning consistently, they
But
deserve
that
it.
always happens if you keep winning consistently. The law of averages at some point
Yeah.
will kick in.
तो
तो
एक
इंडिया के साथ यही
एक
हुआ
मैच हार जाए अगली
हाँ।
कोई
हाँ मुझे है कि हार जाए
किसके
उसके बाद
वेस्ट
अब-
इंडीज या पता नहीं किसके साथ
बांग्लादेश के
है।
खिलाफ हरा देते हैं उनको
नहीं
क्या
ना
है?
नहीं बांग्लादेश सब
नहीं।
कॉन्टिनेंट
या या
नहीं।
हाँ,
वहाँ पे
देखो,
शेर
उसको
हम हैं।
छोड़ो हाँ
एशिया में इंडिया हाँ एशिया में इंडिया
नहीं शेर तो वैसे श्रीलंका है लेकिन वो भी बाहर हो गए.
वाकई
या
that's
या
true.
या they're the lions.
They are
They are
the
the
lions.
Lions.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we'll
I
take a
didn't,
break
I didn't
here.
tell you my two
We'll have to
picks.
take a break here and then we'll come back.
No, that sucks, man.
to your two
I'm not
cents.
important.
Ah,
I'm not important.
we'll be right back
What's going
after
on?
this.
अगर आपको दुबई या मिडल ईस्ट नुमा जेवरात की तलाश है तो आपको दूर जाने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं. आज ही हमारे मिसिसागा रिचवे स्टोर तशरीफ लाइए. अल करम ज्वेलर्स. हमारे पास सोने के बेहतरीन कंगन, कड़े, झुमके, हार और सोने के सेट्स भी दस्तयाब हैं. शादी हो या मेहंदी या कोई भी फंक्शन, आपकी पसंद के तमाम जेवरात आपको हमारे स्टोर में मौजूद मिलेंगे. आज ही हमारे स्टोर पर तशरीफ लाइए. अल करम ज्वेलर्स, 3465 प्लैटिनम ड्राइव, यूनिट 99, मिसिसागा. या फिर कॉल करें 905-828-0009. अल करम ज्वेलर्स. फरमाइश आपकी, गारंटी हमारी.
Popeyes has opened a brand new location in downtown Vancouver. Satisfy your craving for Cajun at this new location off West Georgia and Hamilton Street, where you'll find all your favorite Louisiana-inspired menu items. We sampled the unrivaled trio of sandwiches, the classic, the deluxe, and the blackened deluxe chicken sandwich, and all were delicious. All of the signature fried chicken is marinated for 12 hours, then hand-battered and breaded, served with Cajun fries and mac and cheese on the side. Plus, for a limited time, you can try Popeye's Crispy Chicken Wrap, available now until September 3rd. Check out the new Popeye's location at 700 Hamilton Street today. Who are you bringing with you? Tag them in the comments.
This is the latest opening in BC for Popeyes, with more openings coming soon in both Alberta and BC by PLK Group.
My name is Timur Shah. I'm the managing partner of Shah & Shah Lawyers. At our firm, we do personal injury, real estate, immigration, litigation, family, criminal, and wills and estates. You can contact us at 905-270-5474, or you can visit our website at shawlawyers.ca, and you can visit us at 315 Traders Boulevard East, Unit 3 in Mississauga. We're a family law firm, and we'd love to help your family out.
Welcome to SFK Law, where we're committed to providing legal guidance tailored to your needs. When it comes to real estate law, every detail matters. At SFK Law, we will assist you whether you're buying, selling, or refinancing your property. We'll guide you throughout the process with complete transparency.
Whether you're an employer or an employee, our team will provide expert guidance and representation to safeguard your rights and interests. Whether you're an existing business owner or you're looking to buy or sell a business, at SFK Law, we can help you structure the transaction from start to finish.
If you're searching for a lawyer, contact us today to schedule your consultation.
Thinking of buying or selling real estate? Call us today. We are one-stop solution provider for your real estate needs. Our commission plans to meet your budget. Buy, sell, or build. We can help. Think of us today. Call us at 905-785-9923. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Thank you.
Dixie Electronics और Appliances, जहां आपकी तमाम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और अप्लायंसेस की जरूरियात पूरी होंगी। हमारे पास आपको हर टॉप ब्रांड मौजूद मिलेगा, चाहे वो Whirlpool हो या LG, Samsung हो या General Electrics, हम इन सब के ऑथराइज्ड डीलर हैं। आइए और हमसे 5 स्टार खिदमत का लुत्फ उठाइए। हम आपको तमाम अप्लायंसेस सबसे बेहतर और सस्ते दामों पर फराहम करेंगे, ये हमारी गारंटी है। विजिट आवर वेबसाइट www.dixieelectronics.ca या फिर हमें कॉल कीजिए 905-625-5900. At Dixie Electronics and Appliances, we sell quality and deliver confidence.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
And
gentleman.
The only.
And everyone else. That's
The one and only. Harun Quraishi. अच्छा, अब let's move along into. हाँ जी, discussion काफी हो गया, ऐसे नहीं? Yeah.
Thank you.
Where's the volume button?
बड़ी अजीब फील कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा।
आपको jokes हो जाएं?
Jokes हो जाएं?
Yeah, let's have some
खुदा का
jokes.
वास्ता है।
Let's have some jokes.
For you guys, because हम तो खुशी हैं.
हाँ नहीं, इसीलिए I only picked Pakistani jokes, Pakistani cricket team jokes. एक तो मैंने खुद बनाया है कि and I think I mentioned this to my friend
I
Harun.
don't know what to do right
कि
now.
अगर आजम खान को की अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस निकलवानी थी, so they should have told him that the man of the match award is a bucket of KFC.
Bucket of KFC. Yes. You did tell me that.
Okay.
But jokes apart,
Yeah.
दो तीन jokes
Very
मैंने चुने.
insensitive.
We'll tell you a few jokes and then we'll show you a few
I don't
clips.
see what's wrong with a bucket of KFC.
No food shaming.
Shouldn't
No
be
food shaming. Yeah.
I would play cricket too if I get a bucket.
Actually, we shouldn't be saying KFC. We're talking about fried chicken. We're not endorsing anything.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Uh-huh.
Oops, sorry.
Fried chicken.
Okay, what did the spectator miss when he took a toilet break?
I took a toilet break.
Yes, the entire Pakistani innings.
Oh.
Sorry, Team Pakistan.
Because वो इतना जल्दी आप.
Blink of an eye.
Where do Pakistani?
बड़ी खुश हो रही हो तुम हैं? बहुत खुश हो रही
क्योंकि
है।
मेरे को जोक समझ आ गया.
अच्छा नहीं, अभी एक इंडिया का भी आ रहा है. After this
No
one.
problem, no problem.
Where do Pakistani players perform best?
In Nepal.
At home. At
In
home.
Nepal?
Oh,
At home?
yeah.
At home?
Yeah, at home, like in their own houses.
In Zimbabwe.
In commercials.
Yeah. Hey, that was my joke, man. Yeah.
Acha, what do Dhoni and Michael Jackson have in common?
They did Dho Pakistan all the time.
She'll know this. What do Dhoni and Michael Jackson have in common?
They make. पता नहीं.
Players dance. with their
Dancing का
team.
कुछ होगा.
They both wear gloves for no reason.
Oh. ये तो मैंने
Beautiful.
सोचा
That
ही
was
नहीं.
good. That was really
That was
good.
good, man.
Dhoni
तभी
is
मैंने
the
इंडिया का
hero.
आखिर में बताया.
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा मुझे.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni won us the cup, so he's the hero.
Actually, yeah,
did.
he was an amazing. I think his talent
One of the
will
best
be
captains. for India.
unmatched.
In history.
And not just his
Although,
talent, but his human nature.
All kidding aside, I think Rohit Sharma is actually pretty damn
Oh,
good.
I love Rohit Sharma. He's honestly
he's very
been
good.
one of the best captains. Although he's not been able to win, that's okay.
That's fine.
But as a captain, he's amazing. He's an amazing human being.
Yeah.
And as a player too, I love watching him hit those sixes.
Yeah, those sixes
The
that he...
entire, the fitness level of Indian team and the way Indian team looked changed after Dhoni. So he
No,
was the one who propagated
correct.
After
fitness.
Dhoni and Kohli.
Yeah,
Kohli has
because
a huge
we
hand.
had characters like Azam Khan. Like not exactly
Not
like
exactly,
Azam
huh.
Khan, but yeah.
Nobody has characters like
With
Azam
the
Khan.
punch and also.
Yeah.
Punch that.
नहीं आजकल
You couldn't see his head. I mean, you couldn't see his neck. He was attached to his body. And
Who's Azam Khan?
Azam Khan, man.
अच्छी वैसे अब इस टूर्नामेंट के दौरान खास तौर पे पाकिस्तान इंडिया के मैच के बाद there have been a lot of memes, a lot of videos on TikTok, Instagram. तो हम अपने दर्शकों को, अपने देखने वालों को और इन लोगों को भी दिखाना चाहेंगे. So let's play a few videos.
ये 10 रुपये रिक्शा पकड़ो, घर जाओ, बच्चों के साथ गोटियां खेलना, जुआ खेलते हैं.
बेचारा बाबा यार.
बेचारा.
जुआ तो खेलता है.
That's it. That's true.
इस
So does Babur.
बार नहीं खेला सही से.
I love memes. I can just.
Yeah,
scroll
go
and
on.
अगला वाला चलाइए.
सिराज आ गया 6 रन बनाने. पकड़. इंडिया.
खुश हो जाओ तुम लोग.
Ayo.
I love him.
इला.
Bumrah, the king.
अगला वाला दिखाइए और
That wasn't very.
और जलील करते हैं पाकिस्तान को. Oh, this one's
Oh
good.
my god!
Rauf.
Look at Ramji.
Oh, look at Bumrah now.
Look at Bumrah. Yes.
बुमराह ऐसे ही नाचता है वैसे.
This one was out there in the last World Cup too.
Yeah.
ये अगला देखिए, ये बेस्ट है. ये बहुत वायरल हो गया है.
कौन सा?
यार नहीं, इसके बाद वाला. Oh, this is good. This is Pakistan.
ऐसे ही सच में हालत हुई है सबकी. सच में. How did it feel?
Oh, I'm still feeling.
Still not over.
ये देखिए ना मेरी feeling.
Oh, I think I know him. I know
Yes,
him.
unfortunately, I know him too. I see him every day.
हमारे
What was that thing
favorite.
that you said about him? You can't stand him. Is that what you said?
I can't stand him. I can't sit him.
Can't sit him.
Nobody can sit him.
That was very yes.
That was very stand-up
वाहियात
comedy.
किस्म का joke था ये शायद.
अच्छा, बहरहाल मीम्स के बहुत हो गए. अब वक्त है एक क्रिकेट कॉन्टेस्ट का.
Okay.
और let's split that between Pakistan and India. I really want India to win the contest, not the cup.
आप ना hard question नहीं
He's saying
पूछना.
the contest, not the cup.
Not the cup. मतलब कप जीत के क्या करेंगे? चाय पियेंगे क्या उसमें?
कुछ भी करेंगे बस जीतेंगे.
जहर डालो उसमें. जहर.
चलिए, अच्छा ऐसा करते हैं कि पहले टीम इंडिया को जाने देते हैं. अगर ये नहीं आंसर कर पाए तो टीम पाकिस्तान से पूछेंगे.
बिस्मिल्लाह.
ठीक है, आप लोगों की मैं मदद करूंगा.
Please.
Okay, question number 1. Which two teams have 2 T20 World Cup titles?
India.
West Indies
And?
Australia.
No.
South-
पहले इनको.
West Indies. One second.
West Indies
and India.
No.
West Indies.
Yes. And?
England.
Yes.
Good job.
1 point पाकिस्तान का हुआ. अच्छा.
I knew West Indies.
Who has scored? Now this is before this tournament. Who has scored had scored the most runs in T20 World Cups? Which batsman? ये तो आप लोगों को सबको आना
Chris
चाहिए.
Gayle.
No.
Huh?
No, it's not Virat.
Virat Kohli.
Not Virat. Virat. I just said
Right
Virat.
now? I'm gonna say right now.
No, like before the cup. Before the cup.
Oh,
Why am I
of
getting
course.
so happy?
Okay.
2 points to Pakistan.
Oh, I thought you were talking before, like. Okay.
नहीं, before this tournament.
Sorry, I didn't hear the question. That's not.
You knew what the question was.
I thought overall.
लेकिन आपके मुंह से तो विराट कोहली वैसे ही निकलना चाहिए. कोई भी सवाल मैं पूछूं. विराट कोहली.
As soon as I heard most
इतना
runs T20,
हसीन
these two
बंदा,
words
इतना
together,
हसीन
just
शख्स.
Chris Gayle. हाँ, actually that would have been my guess too, but I've done my research on Google.
That's good. That's good.
अच्छा. अच्छा, ये थोड़ा अजीब सा सवाल है. But why are deep fielders so dignified? Why are deep fielders so dignified?
I don't know.
Deep fielders.
Yeah,
deep fielders समझ रहे हैं ना आप लोग?
वो
जो deep में करते हैं.
Because they catch
Because
They are
wickets.
the cover.
because they
cover.
know their boundaries.
Oh. Good. I was like, they catch.
That was cheesy. अच्छा, ये interesting सवाल है. तो let's see if you get this one right. I'll ask you again. Who is the only player to score 2 centuries in T20 World Cups?
The only player.
Say that again.
The only player to score 2 centuries.
Is he from Team India?
नहीं कोई मदद नहीं हो रही आपकी. टीम इंडिया की बहुत मदद करती है हमने. In T20 World
Virat
Cups.
Kohli.
Virat Kohli.
Aye, hey, no.
No?
Chris Gayle.
Yes.
Chris Gayle.
1 point to India.
That was tukka like you
See,
won't believe,
उल्टा हो
man.
गया. मैंने पहला Chris Gayle
She's been
बोला.
saying Chris Gayle from the beginning.
हाँ.
Everything was Chris Gayle.
चलें फिर.
Okay, when you talk about T20, there are 2 big names.
Yes.
Only.
Chris Gayle.
So either
Babar
Virat
Azam
Kohli
and
or
Azam Khan.
Virat Kohli or Chris Gayle.
अच्छा, big मैं समझा big कह रही हैं तुम.
Babar Azam's not big.
Okay, who has hit the most sixes in T20 World Cups?
Asif. I'm just kidding.
Right now, Chris Gayle.
हाँ.
Oh,
Chris
yeah,
Gayle.
has to be. Yeah, has to be him. He's known for that.
2 points to India, 2 to Pakistan. चलो यार, पाकिस्तान उठो. Which country did India lose to in the 2014 final?
Oh, Australia, South Africa, and England.
नहीं भाई.
No, New Zealand.
Pakistan.
No. 2014.
Oh, 2014 West Indies?
No.
What?
New Zealand.
Australia.
कोई और गेस करें जल्दी से.
South Africa?
नहीं, आप गेस करें. सारी टीमें तो आप लोगों ने गिनवा दी.
Australia.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. I said
New Zealand.
ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ.
ಅಬ್ಬೆ ನೀ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಗನನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಚಿತ್ತಡಗಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಗಡಗನಲ್ಲೇ. ಅಚ್ಚಾ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
I don't
Okay.
know my history well.
This is a different one, but why doesn't Cinderella play cricket?
Because her shoes, she has a missing shoe.
She's missing shoe, guys. No. Snow. Why doesn't she?
Anyone?
Cinderella?
Anyone?
Because she has a time.
Because she turns into a pumpkin. No. Something to pumpkins.
So she
Something
has
to
a
midnight.
time. She has a time
Something to-
limit. Time out. Time out. I
Because
don't
she's always running away from the ball.
know. Oh my God, lame.
These are serious dad jokes, man.
Yeah, I had to throw
Like a
them.
dead ball.
Yeah, exactly. Like a dead ball. अच्छा, अभी तक 2-2 जा रहा है वैसे मुकाबला.
जी.
3 सवाल रहते हैं. It could be a tiebreaker, just like a. We'll have a super
Nervous,
over then.
nervous.
We'll have a
Super over,
super
love a
question.
super over.
Super question. Who is hosting the next T20 World Cup in 2026?
Dubai.
नहीं.
No. Okay. Pakistan.
नहीं यार.
New
South
Zealand.
Africa. South Africa.
Saudi Arabia.
South Africa.
New Zealand.
No. Last guess.
England.
Last guess.
Australia. Australia.
No, no.
England.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
India and Sri Lanka together.
India तो host कर चुका
नहीं
already.
फिर से कर रहे हैं ना उनको भाई उनको
इतने बड़े स्टेडियम्स हैं, come on.
हाँ
We have the best stadium.
इतने तो बना लिए अब यूज करने ही पड़ेंगे किसी न किसी को. अच्छा पाकिस्तान 2007 में 2009 में किस ग्राउंड पे वर्ल्ड कप जीता था?
Dubai.
No.
Oh.
Which ground? Or yeah, I mean
Sharjah.
No.
Oh, the Dubai.
2009.
Australia?
It was in South Africa. It was in Australia. It was in England.
Yes.
Yeah, it was in
Which
England.
ground? Which ground? though? Which ground?
Lords.
Lords. Oh, I can see the O.
For India.
नहीं नहीं याद है इनका क्यों इंग्लैंड इन्होंने कहा लॉर्ड्स आप.
Lords.
One point. So what is
This
it?
is a tiebreaker,
So
sudden
we get
death.
1 point each?
Super over, super question.
Okay.
Which cricket ground is the coolest?
In India, the one that's in the D से start होता है वो अपन का. India में.
Coolest.
अफगान में ना?
वो जो है ना पहाड़ पे इंडिया में पहाड़ पे.
Dharamshala.
धर्मशाला. It's
The coolest as in the temperature wise?
Temperature wise?
Coolest or
Oh.
big? The Narendra Modi Stadium.
Temperature.
Temperature wise.
नहीं.
Oh,
unfortunately.
no.
Coolest मतलब?
Like coolest.
No. No.
What do you mean by coolest? It's like a vague
Like,
term.
can you just
Like
explain?
temperature wise.
Temperature wise?
Yeah, climate.
Temperature wise.
Coolest to
Lords,
Dharamshala.
anything in England?
Yeah, Lord.
No, it's actually not in England.
इस पे बस 5 मिनट आप लोग सोचिए.
Oval.
Coolest.
I'm gonna take a break.
No, hold on a second.
Coolest.
Let me think about it.
Cool.
It's actually
Which cricket
overseas.
ground?
It's not in Europe. It's
It's
not
on
in
Mars.
It's not even in Asia. It's in North America.
चांद पे तो नहीं कहीं.
चांद तो हम लोग हैं.
No, you guys will love this answer. The one
No, let me.
full of fans.
Can't you just give a?
So that has to be any Indian ground.
Oh, yeah.
The one in Dharamshala.
100%.
Dharamshala.
Yeah, Dharamshala,
Is it
मान लो या
actually-
Narendra Modi
It's really beautiful.
Stadium, yeah.
हाँ,
फिर
धर्मशाला
उसका
आपका
कोटला,
हुआ, पटियाला आपका हुआ, पूरा इंडिया आपका हुआ.
वानखेड़े,
Wankhede.
हाँ,
It's my
Wankhede.
dream to watch a game in Dharamshala Stadium because it's so beautiful. The backdrop is like mountains. It's like on top of a mountain. The stadium
Yeah, no,
itself.
some of the grounds in India are amazing.
I'm trying to wrap my head around such a ridiculous.
Yeah.
joke.
I'm not gonna be over it for a day.
Yeah. It's
No,
going to
they're-
haunt me
They're okay because they won.
till the next contest.
इंडिया को आज की जीत मुबारक हो.
शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया. Yes, Team India.
I'll say it again. इंडिया को आज की जीत मुबारक हो.
आज की जीत.
फाइनल की जीत भी अभी से.
मुबारकबादी दे दीजिए.
हाँ, इंशाल्लाह नहीं 2 हफ्ते बाद हम फिर मिलेंगे इसी जगह पे and we'll know by then if
Inshallah.
India has won or not.
Inshallah.
My prayers, sincerest prayers are with India क्योंकि हम भी इंडियन ही हैं.
शुक्रिया.
इंडियन ही थे. वो मेरे दादा ने वो ट्रेन पकड़ ली थी वरना.
ट्रेन पकड़ ली थी. हाँ.
वरना तो
डैडी तो शिमला में पैदा हुए थे.
हाँ. No, I do. I
See,
actually.
India has gained extra fan base just for the finals because obviously Pakistan is going to be supporting India as
Inshallah.
well.
No, most Pakistanis do support India,
Yes.
except for the
neighbors.
except for the.
I would support
Bad ones.
Pakistan if
Except for the bad
India was
ones.
out and Pakistan was in top 8 because I want the cup to be in Asia.
हाँ.
Yeah, that's for sure.
वैसे तो बांग्लादेश को मिल जाए तो अच्छा हो जाएगा.
I like
Why
the
not?
Bengal team, man.
वो कहीं पानी में ना बह जाए लेकिन बस.
हाँ, ये फ्लड हो जाएंगे वहाँ पे.
It would be their first cup.
Yes.
Yeah.
इससे पानी पी सकते हैं फिर.
मछली भी खा सकते हैं. मतलब मच्छी चावल.
Anyways, I want to thank all of you for being here tonight.
Pleasure.
I hope in 2 weeks you can come back and we can all celebrate India's victory in the final.
Yes.
तो उस दिन हम केक भी मंगवाएंगे आपके लिए.
Oh.
हाँ.
Inshallah.
और उसमें क्रीम की जगह हम मलाई डलवाएंगे.
Special celebration.
उस पे तिरंगा होगा. हमारा तिरंगा.
काली मिर्च वाली जो ना वो क्रीम होगी.
जन गण मन फिर हम गाएंगे सारा राष्ट्रगीत.
चलिए जाने से पहले इंडिया का एक तराना गा दीजिए आप लोग.
ओहो.
Let's have India's tarana.
ओके हम गाएं.
Yeah.
राष्ट्रगीत गाएं. चले. जन गण मन. चले. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
I know this part.
Dravid Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jal
I know this part.
You're gonna have to edit me out
Tava
of this.
Shubh Naam
No, not this
mein
part.
jage Tava Shubh Aashish mange Gahe Tava Jai Gata Jai Mangaldayak Jaya Hai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jai
Hey, Jaya Hey, Jaya Hey, Jaya 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 Hey, Jaya Jaya. Chak De India. Thank you for watching our show tonight. I hope you guys had as much fun as we did.
I don't know when was the last one.
Next week, we will be back with a special on the soccer, the Euro Cup that's going on. So you guys are free to join us for that. And we'll be back with these fine people in 2 weeks to celebrate the World Cup victory.
Expert panel.
Inshallah.
अपना ख्याल रखिएगा हमारा शो देखने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. We will be back next week, same time, same place. Don't go anywhere.